Hey signers! Over the past few years, we've taught ASL to thousands of families, and what we've noticed was this. Families weren't using ASL in just one way. Some were using it as a full homeschool foreign language credit. Some were using it as an enrichment. Some were adding it after school. Some were using it at their co-op or homeschool group. Some adults even decided to use it to take a slower pace of learning. And many families were learning ASL together at home. Instead of trying to force ASL into one narrow model, we decided to build something that actually fits real family life. That's where Learn How to Sign at Home comes in. So if you're looking to learn ASL at home, this video is for you. Now let's learn how to sign. Learn How to Sign at Home is a foreign language and enrichment curriculum specifically designed for you. It is a structured multi-year ASL curriculum. Each weekly lesson is carefully designed to engage students in practical, hands-on learning. You'll start each lesson with essential vocabulary signs, with the option to explore additional signs. This gives older students, or students who want more, a deeper layer of learning. Our culture and history lessons are taught by Sarah, our deaf teacher, who shares authentic insights from her lived experience. We've also expanded grammar instruction with lessons focused on phrase examples and real-world application. You'll find lessons spotlighting influential deaf individuals and their stories, weekly fingerspelling and numbers activities, hands-on activities and printables. And those activities are differentiated by age, from kindergarten learners to elementary school students, all the way up to middle school and beyond. This allows families to learn together, but choose activities that fit each child's ability level. The flexibility is in your hands. Get it? Hands? Okay, so let's get down to the details of what's included. 60+ weeks of instruction, over 900 core vocabulary signs, plus 300 additional signs for expanded learning. 48 lessons covering grammar, culture, history, and sentence examples. 48 fingerspelling and numbers lessons. Over 144 activities and printables, 12 bonus lessons covering holidays and specialized topics, and 12 assessments complete with study guides and review materials. We also have flashcards. Yes, you can flip through the signs to practice your knowledge. This isn't random content or disconnected videos. It's a complete curriculum with a clear learning path. These lessons are designed for everyone. They are kid-friendly, clear and visual, interactive. They're easy to repeat. Yes, you can pause the lessons, rewatch them, and move at your own pace. Did I mention that this is a 2-year curriculum? But you can move as fast or slow as you want. Some families might want to move quickly. Some might want to take their time. Learn How to Sign at Home can work either way. Now, for families who want structure or need documentation, we include study guides and tests. These allow families to track their progress, document their learning, meet homeschool requirements. And if your family prefers a lighter enrichment option, these pieces are completely optional. Learn How to Sign at Home is listed with many state homeschool vendors and scholarship programs. That means families in certain states can use education funds to purchase the curriculum. If you don't see Learn How to Sign listed for your state yet, there's a link below where you can let us know. We're actively working to get set up in as many states as possible. This program is designed as a year-by-year foreign language program. In year 1, we focus on building a strong foundation. Everyday vocabulary for basic conversation and describing people, core ASL grammar, including questions and responses, conversational skills, deaf culture and history. In year 2, which we're releasing this year, expands on that foundation with deeper grammar, broader vocabulary, and more real-world language use. Now to some really big news. We've simplified our pricing. Instead of complicated bundles or memberships, families can now purchase 1 year for $179 or 2 years for $299 of the Learn How to Sign at Home curriculum. And from now until September 1st, you can use the code ATHOME30 for 30% off either option. Are you a part of a homeschool co-op or larger homeschool group? We offer group rates as well for those situations. Learn How to Sign at Home works for everyone. Homeschool families, families looking for enrichment, families using it for a full foreign language, after-school learners, co-ops and homeschool groups, and families just learning at home together, or anyone in between. ASL isn't just another subject. It's a foreign language that's visual, engaging, and genuinely fun, especially for kids who don't thrive with traditional language programs. It builds communication skills, confidence, and connection. And when ASL fits naturally in your home, it actually sticks. And you can learn more using the link below. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.